Welcome back to the Farmstead. Today I'm mixing up a quick batch of one of our favorite snacks, candied cinnamon sugar nuts. Now for this today I'm using pecan, the halves, pecan halves. You can use cashews, you can use almonds, whatever your favorite nut is. Ours is pecan. That's what you can use. So to start out with, we're going to make up the coating. And we need 2 egg whites. So we're going to separate a couple eggs, because we just want the whites. We'll save those for breakfast in the morning. Now this is something that is always a favorite at the holidays or whenever we're going to have anybody over. I can set the bowl out, and as folks walk by, they'll grab a handful, and before you know it, they're all gone. Alright, got our 2 egg whites, and we're going to beat this up until we get some soft peaks. And it's going to take 4 or 5 minutes. So we'll get started, and I'll see you back then. I forgot the water. 2 tablespoons of water. Alright, there we go. Some nice soft peaks. In the sink. So you can see we've got some nice soft peaks. And to that we're going to add 2 cups of plain white granulated sugar. I'm kind of going to pour that off to the side here. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 2 teaspoons of salt. This is a great way to get your sweet and salty all together. So if that's something that you really enjoy, this is for you. Right, so now that I've got that all to the side, I'm going to mix it in very gently. And I kind of want to just fold it all together. I want to fold it all in, mix it together without deflating every bit of the air I just put into those egg whites. So gently, gently fold it over. I'm just going to keep going until I get it all incorporated, but I've not overdone it. Alright. Now, I've got a baking sheet with some parchment, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Even though this is parchment and it probably won't stick, I still don't want to take the chance. I'm going to put my nuts out right on my sheet. And then I'm going to take my mixture and I'm going to spread it over them. take my spatula and I'm kind of going to just fold my nuts in so that each of them gets a little bit of the batter. And I'm going to spread them all out to a single layer. Alright, now I've got my oven heated to 300 degrees and I'm going to put these in there and I'm going to bake them for 45 minutes. But I'm going to turn them every 15. So, let's get them in the oven. There we go. Now they've been baking for 45 minutes. I'm going to break it up a little bit. We'll let them cool. And we'll give them a try. Now that everything's cooled real well, I've got a bowl of my store in. I've got a little spatula. Get them up off the pan and put them into my bowl. I happen to think these would be really good on some homemade ice cream. Vanilla, dairy vanilla. Now, if you like your sweet with a little heat, you can also sprinkle in a bit of cayenne pepper. When you're putting in the cinnamon and the salt, put you in about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That would be surprisingly wonderful. So how easy was that? A sweet treat to leave out on the counter when company comes over. It will be a hit. I promise you that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.